When Honda unveiled the NSX in the early 1990s, it wasn't just a car, it was a revolution. Engineered with input from Formula One legend Ayrton Senna, the NSX broke new ground for supercars, offering precision, reliability, and driver involvement in a package that could be driven daily. Today, the first-generation NSX is a modern classic, revered for its mid-engine layout, razor-sharp handling, and timeless design. But now, a bold new vision from Australia is rewriting its future. Enter Autotique, a young tuning firm based down under, bringing fresh energy to the NSX scene. With the help of international collaborators, they've crafted two exciting new body kits, the NSX Widebody and the NSX OEM Plus. Both kits recently made their public debut at the Session AU show in Sydney, and they're already turning heads across the globe. Let's start with the Widebody, the star of the show. Initially imagined by Norwegian designer Piston Zero, this aggressive reinterpretation of the NSX was brought to life by Thai builder Mosey and finalized for production by Autotique. The transformation is nothing short of dramatic. Nearly every exterior panel on this NSX has been swapped for custom fabricated components, giving the car a sharp, exotic supercar presence. The few original parts that remain are the pop-up headlights, hood, doors, and greenhouse. At the front, a custom bumper with enlarged intakes, slim LED DRLs, and a deep splitter sets the tone. The sides are equally bold, with widened fenders and reworked side skirts that give the car a planted, aggressive stance. In the rear, the updates are just as striking. The Widebody ditches the NSX's classic full-width taillights in favor of aftermarket LED units with a tinted finish. A reshaped bumper accommodates a massive rear diffuser and dual exhaust tips, while a fixed rear wing extension, color-matched to the body, adds the finishing touch. Even though some elements from the initial rendering, like canards and vented hoods, didn't make the final cut, the end result is still a jaw-dropping evolution of Honda's iconic supercar. For those who prefer a more restrained transformation, Autotique offers the NSX OEM Plus. This version keeps the spirit of the original intact, but enhances it with subtle modern flair. You'll find a reworked front bumper, a modestly raised hood, extended side skirts, and a revised rear bumper. It's the perfect choice for enthusiasts who want an updated look without going full wide body. It's important to note that performance remains stock. The kits are cosmetic only, meaning the NSX's beloved 3.0-liter naturally aspirated V6 featuring VTEC remains untouched. It still delivers 270 horsepower and 210 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 5-speed manual, providing an analog driving experience that's becoming increasingly rare in the automotive world. As the market value of clean original NSXs continues to climb, it remains to be seen how many owners will embrace these radical transformations. But for those looking to make a statement, Autotique kits offer a compelling blend of retro nostalgia and modern supercar attitude. With orders expected to open soon, these kits might just usher in a new era of NSX appreciation, one that balances its historic roots with futuristic ambition. Whether you're drawn to the wild Widebody or the refined OEM Plus, one thing's for sure, the NSX is far from finished.